Hey guys, Ryan Ahearn here, Ryan Ahearn Real Estate Team. Welcome back. Let's talk about the market. We are in August of 2019, and we are in one heck of a confusing market right now. I know there's a lot of articles going around talking about what is happening. All the market data is suggesting that we should be on fire, but we're not. And I wanted to talk to you guys about that today. So first, let's go over a little bit about the leading indicators that are happening to get you up to speed on where we're at. First thing we look at, as always, is the number of homes that are hitting the market. That number is down 7.7% from this time last year. The number of homes coming off the market or going into escrow are up 14.9% from this time last year. So those are the biggest numbers that we've seen all year. So a lot less coming on and a lot more coming off. And you can do the math. You're right. The inventory is down, and it's down a whopping 9.2%, which is, again, the biggest number that we've seen all year. Last month it was down 3.1 or 3.2%, and now we're above 9%, which is a huge number. So what does that mean? That should mean that our market should be on fire, that you should be able to put your home up for sale and it'll be gone in a day or so. But that's just not happening. That's just not the case. If you put your house on the market and you're a little bit off on price, you sit there. Well, what's going on? Everything says that it should be flying off the market, and it's not. Well, let's talk about that. The one thing that we're facing, the challenge is the affordability. And what I mean by that is the number of people here in San Diego County that can afford a home is going down and down as prices to go up. So even though inventory is low, number of homes coming on the market is low. Homes coming off the market is high. We still don't have a ton of buyers buying because of how high our prices are. So that's kind of why this market seems so confusing, and that you read articles like that in the media. But let's talk about, what does that mean to you as a buyer? So if you're a buyer looking to purchase a home in San Diego County right now, you can expect less competition. You can expect homes to be sitting on the market a little bit longer, so you have a little bit more time. But the biggest thing that is in your benefit right now as a buyer is we all know that the interest rates are as low as possible. Now, that's the one thing that can save you money or cost you money over a long period of time. Real estate always goes up and down, but it will always continue to climb upwards. Unlike, for instance, the stock market. There are stocks that can go down to zero. A house, real estate, can never go down to zero, so it will always go up. The interest rate, however, is the one thing that's going to either save you a bunch of money or cost you a bunch of money over time. So take advantage of that interest rate. It is not going to be around forever, and it's the lowest that we've seen in a long time. Now, if you're a seller, what does this all mean to you? Inventory down almost 10%. You have a lot less competition on the market than you had last year. All of this data suggests that the prices are going to continue to climb until interest rates change or the number of people that can afford a home here in the county go down so low that the market has to keep up with that. The prices come down. So take advantage now. Inventory down almost 10%. Interest rates below 4%. Both win-win for the buyer and seller. I'm Ryan Ahearn. If we can give you any information about your particular neighborhood, if you want this same data, please feel free. We want to be your real estate go-to team, and we will bust our butts to provide you the best services possible. Have a great rest of your month. We'll talk soon.